healthcare had its best week in almost a year. So CSL went up 17.3% on the day of the result, Tuesday, and it went up the following day too. So it's been up 24% for this week.
Hello everyone, this is VT Capital, here to talk to you about the markets from the week ending the 21st of August 2026. My name is Fred.
And I'm Aradhya.
Thank you. Aradhya, quickly, ASX 200, what did you see?
So with ASX 200, we saw it ending at 9,058, which is 0.62% down from the last week. We saw some capital rotation out of financials and technology into healthcare and gold. So financials were the main draggers, and given that it's 30% of the index and CBA alone is 11% of the index, so that made sense. We saw CBA about 5.9% down this week, followed by ANZ, NAB and Westpac, and even financials went down about 8.9% from their peak on August 6th, even after all the dividends getting distributed. Yes.
Okay, moving over to the macros. What catalyst did we see, say, with labor?
We did see the July unemployment data come out, and unemployment has risen to 4.35%. We were expecting a gain in the jobs, but we didn't see that. We saw 15,800 jobs gotten deducted. So that definitely influenced the RBA decision coming up in September.
Commodities, some interesting things happening.
Yes, the US Treasury doubled down on the buyback program, and because of that, the 30-year Treasury rate, which had risen to 5.28%, that's a 22-year high. It went down, and because we know that bond prices and yields move in opposite direction, and that is what happened. And because of this, gold saw some happy days. Gold went up to 4,550, and even silver went up to $67. Yes, so that's what happened with commodities. And sorry, Fred, I forgot to mention earlier about healthcare, because healthcare had its best week in almost a year. So CSL went up 17.3% on the day of the result, Tuesday, and it went up the following day too. So it's been up 24% for this week, followed by Pro Medicus.
Cool. That'll bring us back to the ASX. Earnings season, reporting season last week.
Yes.
NAB, I think we've seen some figures, so I was pretty much solid.
Yes.
Although they're punished a bit in the market, including JB Hi-Fi.
Yes. Goodman Group, everyone.
So
the market is rewarding only beating the estimates. Only that. No matter how good of a result you have.
All right. And then lastly, what are we looking at coming up next week?
Coming up next week, we have Nvidia results and also the CPI data coming up for US. Yes, on the same day. So that's very exciting.
Okay. Thank you very much. We'll see you again next week.
Thank you.